Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Peasy Vocab. Today we are going to learn about verbals. So in the image you can see three girls running, right? Running to the store gave them some time outside. So what do you think the subject in this sentence is? The subject would be running to the store. Let's see how. Verbals. Besides main parts of speech, there are three other parts called verbals. A verbal is just a label for something that has to do with a verb. They are hybrids that don't act as verbs in a sentence but as other parts of speech. Verbal phrases are phrases that begin with verbs. There are three types of verbals: gerunds, participles, and infinitives. Today we are going to talk about gerunds. A gerund is a word that begins with a verb, ends in ing, and turns into a noun. So a verb turning into a noun is nothing but a gerund. Examples: to run. Run is the verb here. So we add an ing for it to become a gerund. Running becomes noun. To jump, jumping. To play, playing. To think, thinking. Here, running is a gerund because it is composed of a verb run, ends in ing, and can be used a noun as a subject or the object of a sentence. Let's see some examples. In the first image, you can see a couple running. Running makes them feel better. Here, the noun is running, so the subject is running. What is the predicate in the sentence? Makes them feel better. In the second image, you can see two people talking and are thinking about running. They thought about running. Here, running is used as an object in the sentence. About running, right? So, what is the subject in this sentence? They, the subject pronoun. In the third image, you can see a person working at his office. Mark thought he could impress his boss by staying late at the office. Here, staying is a gerund. Late would be the direct object. At the office is the prepositional phrase. Gerund phrases. A phrase that begins with a gerund, it will either have a modifier, an object, or both. The entire phrase will function as a noun. Examples: running around the park, thinking of his friends, playing basketball after dark. In the image, you can see a girl cooking. Trying out new recipes makes Gloria happy. Trying is the gerund in this sentence. So, trying out new recipes. Out new recipes would be the direct object. Makes Gloria happy is the predicate in the sentence. So the gerund phrase, trying out new recipes, is the subject in this sentence. Parts of a gerund phrase. You can see in the image a girl eating a burger very fast, right? Eating burger quickly is a bad idea. So what is eating in this sentence? Eating is the gerund. What is the burger? It is the direct object. Quickly is the modifier because it is modifying the gerund. So eating burger quickly is the gerund phrase. The direct object of a gerund is known as the gerund complement. That means burger in the sentence is called the gerund complement. Eating a cake quickly. So cake will be the gerund complement. Example like taking a drink. So drink would be the gerund complement. Painting a fence. So fence would be the gerund complement as it is the direct object. Some more examples of gerund phrases. In the image, you can see a girl listening to some music. Listening to some old songs can be a very relaxing activity. So what is the gerund phrase in this sentence? Listening to some old songs, because gerund in this sentence is listening and the gerund phrase would be listening to some old songs. Because the verbs in the sentence can be a very relaxing activity would be the predicate in the sentence. So the subject is listening to some old songs. In the second image, you can see two girls talking happily. Nothing makes me happier than talking to my best friend. What is the gerund in this sentence? Talking. Talk plus sing, right? Talking is a gerund in this sentence. The gerund phrase would be talking to my best friend. Here is a rule that is often ignored. You have to use a possessive noun or possessive pronoun, my, your, his, her, its, our, and their before a gerund. Let's see a few examples. In the image, you can see a girl singing and a boy clapping, right? James continues to be amazed by Rena singing. Singing is the gerund in the sentence and Rena's is the possessive noun, right? In the second image, you can see a girl very upset. I was upset about our leaving so early in the morning. So here, gerund is leaving and our is the possessive pronoun. And so why do we need to use gerunds? It can reduce your word count and improves the reading flow and sentence fluency. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment for more videos. Thank you so much.